name's Ruan.
My name is Xicheng Wang.
And we are Team Tilted, and our project for the final project is Sustainable Urban Planning. So how our GUI works is...
So first of all, you have a pop-up menu for user to choose a city to work with, and then you can choose the solar panel and the wind turbine to pick,
And then next, after you pick your solar panel or wind turbine, you will go to the map and click on a box on the grid so that you can plot your object, which will also turn the color. And then next is the user, once the user reaches the limit of 10 objects placed, or if they choose to press the finish button, then it will move on to the next part of the program.
So then you have two options. You can save the image as, save the current image as an image, or you can save it as a text file.
And at that point, the program is basically done, finished running, and you can also activate other certain functions that are available.
At any point during the program, you could press the clear button to clear all your progress and restart your work. Or if you want to estimate the current solar energy, you can click the button Estimate Solar Energy. It'll count the solar energy, including the ones from Project 1. And if you want to estimate the wind energy, you can do a similar function that's called Estimate Wind Energy. And if you want to check the bill of materials, basically you just click on the Create Bill of Materials button. If you saved a text file earlier on from this part, then you could load the text file and continue working on wherever you left off. Yeah.
And that is this is how our program works.
Hello, we are Team Tilted, and this is our project GUI demonstration for our Sustainable Urban Planning project. So to start off, to use this GUI, you can select a city to work on from the 3 available cities, which are Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Honolulu. So when you select a city, Los Angeles for example, it will load the image and place a grid over the top of it. The grid is 15 by 15 and pixels for each box, and each box has an area of 600 feet squared. So next, you have an option to select from panels and turbines. So when you open the panels and turbine selection, you get a list of solar panels and wind turbines. When you select one, it also shows the corresponding color that will show up on the grid when you plot it. So let's say I pick InstaSpark SPCC 5W, for example, and click on a box in the map. It will place a blue box there indicating that that specific solar panel is right there. And also on the right side, when you select a solar panel, it will display the information, power, dimensions, and price in this box. And then, for example, you can also select a wind turbine and plot it onto the map. And it will show the color on there too. Okay.
If you want to overwrite the previously plotted grids, then you could just replot over the grid. And you'll see that your previously plotted grid will be changed. And if you want to estimate the solar energy, you just click Estimate Solar Energy. Similar thing applies for the wind energy. These data include the data from Project 1. And if you want to add more, you could just plot more solar panels or wind turbines, and then we estimate. Our GUI includes functions such as switching between the maps. If you switch between this Los Angeles and San Francisco, and you plot something else here, and then you decide to continue working on Los Angeles, then you could simply switch back. And you can work, and your previously points are saved.
For each city, you can at most choose 10 solar panels or wind turbines. There's already 3, and I'll put a 4th. And you click inside of the grid. Oh, so if you reach the 10th time limit, you have a message box, and you can choose to save the image and save the image as text file, and then you can see the image you save here. Also, you can open the text file. It's all numbers. And then you can also open the bill of materials to see your total cost. And you open the text file.
You could clear, if you want to reset all your points at once, then you could simply press clear, and your image will be resetted. You want, since you saved your text file earlier, you could click load from text and continue from where you left off. There are the points that you plotted previously. And if you already plotted 10 points, then this thing will pop up. If you plotted less than 10, you can simply continue.
And that is how our program works.
Thank you for watching.